questions, okay? And you gotta answer them. Okay? Okay. So, CJ, what is... Sit back, dude. Sit back. CJ, what is something you want people to remember about you?
And because people don't like me.
Oh, you want people to remember that you eat your boogers? CJ, how do you feel when you look in the mirror?
Good.
Yeah? What do you see?
Spider-Man.
Oh, you see Spider-Man? Me too. You're funny, CJ. CJ, look at me. CJ, what is your favorite time of the day?
Good.
No. Do you like the morning, noon, or nighttime?
Soon.
Noon? CJ, what do you like about Tia Angelica?
My manager.
I'm your manager? No, silly. What do you like about me?
I like him.
Oh, no, I love you too, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're my favorite.
You're my favorite.
You're my favorite. Okay. CJ, do you like being at Grandma's house or the office?
Grandma house.
You don't like being here at the office?
No.
Why?
I don't want to.
Oh, okay. CJ, do you like fruits or candy?
Candy.
No, dude. It's fruit. Pineapples and mangoes and oranges and grapes. Oh, all right. Who's your favorite? Popo or Grandma?
Angelica.
Yes! High five, give five. You're funny.
I love you.
Huh?
I love you.
I love you too, man. Kike and Daniel. Who's your favorite uncle?
Teacher.
You like Kike better?
Yeah.